Hey everyone, today we are going to learn about the onion router and it's commonly known as a Tor. In practical, how to install in Kali, how to download the file and proxy setting and check Tor successfully installed or not. The Tor was developed in the mid 1990s by researcher at US Naval Research Laboratory to protect secure government communication and hide online identities. Later, Tor was made open source so that everyone can review the code, improve it, and trust it. Today, the Tor is mainly used to protect our privacy and freedom. Tor is commonly used by generalists, researchers, whistleblowers, and activists who need to communicate securely without being tracked. Tor is difficult to ban because it is a decentralized network and does not depend on a single server or a country. Yeah, now let's start the practical things, and it's mainly like five to six steps. So first, we need to upgrade our Kali for latest updates, and it might take some time. So let's wait for it. Yeah, it is upgraded successfully. So next steps we will go, and we need to download the files. For that we need to visit that site tor project where we can get the file. We have all the file for all the operating systems, so we want for the Linux, so download the Linux one. It's successfully started to like download. Let's check it is downloaded or not. Yeah, it is downloaded. Like, let me delete this tor browser because like I have extracted before, so I need to show one more time for you. Yeah, it is like started to extract and it will take some time. Yeah, it is completed. So let's check and just go to the tor browser folder and before running this file, just check it as like executive permission or not, and you need to give a permission by using this command. And once you are done and you are good to go, and before running this, there is a one thing you need to configure the proxy file. Make sure that you make this setting, proxy setting, before running this, uh, and it should be that manual, and give the IP local and give the port like 9150. And okay, now let's run this file. And it is already launched, but it will take some time, so wait for it. Yeah, now click on this connect and wait for some time. And the setup which I used is like, it is for like testing and for beginners, and it is not fully safe, but one OS is there that is like used by like professional, so I know that which one, but if you know that, please comment on that, which OS they are using, professional people. And just verify it is completely like successfully installed or not. Just go to that site that check top project and just refresh, yes, and as you are installed like successfully. And let's see like that IP is like changing like within the seconds, so that no one track us. Just verify. Yeah, now the IP are getting keep on changing, then we are successful in this.